Have you ever heard that if you sneeze 3 times in a row, you'll turn into a frog? One morning, May woke up with a stuffy nose. She sneezed twice already and was terrified because she'd heard a strange legend. If you sneeze a third time, you'll become a frog. May tried everything to stop sneezing, holding her breath, pinching her nose, but as she passed a pepper shop, she inhaled deeply, and achoo! Suddenly, May turned into a cute green frog wearing pajamas. She jumped around frantically until her little brother caught her, excited to have a new pet, but after a few seconds, she transformed back into herself. May sighed in relief till she noticed her brother sneezing twice and freezing in horror. Be careful! Next time, it might be you.